All right, guys, this is part 2. This is the strawberry insert that I am painting. Now, I have 2 different strawberry inserts. This one comes with the cute little Farm Fresh strawberry sign, and then the other one doesn't. So there's one already in my shop, but this is a different one. This one comes with the sign, and the other one does not. All right, so the mini also does not come with the sign. Only this large one that we're painting right now. So I'm going to get all of this painted up. The red I'm using is Tuscan red. The stems I'm using is sour apple. No, I'm sorry, spring green. And then the green that I use for the leaves is called festive green. So Tuscan red and festive green is made by Americana. And the spring green is made from Apple Barrel that you can get from Walmart. All right. So, and then of course there's white. So I get everything painted up. I did take the darker green and kind of go over the leaves. And then I'm using my black ink to shade on the edges of the strawberries and on the stems and on the leaves. All right. To kind of give them that grunge dirty look. And I'm just going through and just getting it, all shaded. And then I switched over to the brown for the flowers, and I'm shading on the edges of the words, and those words go on the little sign. All right. And then this is the little tag that comes with it. I think it says $1 a quart or something on it. I don't exactly remember the exact words, but now we're going to get everything glued down, and you see all my bottles are clogged. Like, what the heck? But I finally get them unclogged, and now we're rocking and rolling and getting everything glued down. Y'all, these are so cute. I love this new basket, and wait till you see what it looks like. It's so super cute. Now, this one strawberry right here hangs over the edge, so that's why it looks further down than the other ones. And now I'm just adding the glue so I can just plop these little stems right on top. So cute. And now we're just going to add the little flowers. And then once I do all that, I'm going to get my paint pen, my black, and do the little seeds, on the strawberries. But first, I'm just putting little dots on the centers of these flowers to help them kind of stand out a little bit. And now we're doing the little seeds. Now, you can use a little, a paint with a really skinny brush on it, but I use the paint pen. I feel like it's a little bit easier. And now I'm using the white paint pen just to give it some detailing. I'm going to do the stems first with some like little swishes and lines. And then I'm going to go through on the strawberries and do some detailing on those as well. And just my normal lines and dots and all the good fun stuff. My norm. It does really help them stand out if you do a little bit of the detailing. And then I'll show y'all once everything is done what it looks like in the basket, because they are super cute. And I'm doing detailing on the leaves as well. And that looks good. Now we're going to put our words on our sign. And it says Farm Fresh Strawberries. Now, the strawberries are the only ones I have right now that has this sign. So if you like the lemon, the peaches, and oranges, that's the other one. Those don't come with a sign, but they'll look still equally as cute. Now, this sign you glue onto the back. And I kind of put mine kind of at an angle and just put some glue on there. and just place it on and make sure it's, you want your strawberries to be straight and your sign kind of crooked. And just let it sit there and make sure it dries really good. And then this is the tag, and I'm just taking some baker's twine and just sticking it through there, making like a little knot. And then you put that over the basket. I'm going to cut some of this string off and put just like that. And then when you put your insert in, it'll hold it in place. There we go. Guys, look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Perfect for the summertime, right? I hope y'all enjoyed this. They are available in my Etsy